In today's fast-paced and competitive business world, making data-driven decisions is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Businesses need actionable insights to stay ahead, optimize performance, and seize opportunities. Let's take a closer look at a powerful dashboard designed to help us understand and analyze key business insights. At the top of the dashboard, we see critical metrics that summarize overall performance: $118.73 million in sales, $16.89 million in profit, and 1.13 million units sold. These headline figures provide a quick snapshot of the business's health, while the interactive filters allow users to dive deeper into specific details by year, month, country, segment, and product. The sales by country chart provides valuable insights into regional performance. For instance, the United States leads with 21.08% of total sales, making it a key market for the business. This information helps businesses identify their strongest regions and plan market-specific strategies for growth. Next, the profit by product bar chart highlights the most profitable products, which generated $33.01 million in profit. With this data, businesses can focus on promoting high-margin products and reevaluate strategies for lower-performing ones. The units sold by segment pie chart breaks down sales across customer segments. For example, small businesses account for a significant portion of sales, underlining their importance. This insight allows businesses to tailor their engagement and marketing strategies for maximum impact. Finally, the sales and profit by discount band line chart shows how discounts affect both sales and profitability. While higher discounts can drive sales, the impact on profit margins must be carefully managed. This chart helps businesses strike the right balance between attracting customers and maintaining profitability. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.